Hey guys, Sam with Smart. Today we're going to look at something super easy, adding cards on file for customers. So I'm at Jeremy's account here. He's a salesman for us if you don't know him already. Every account that doesn't have a card on file will have this icon that says no card on file. So we're going to click on that. And from here, you could type in the customer's card information, or probably easier, if you're at a station, you can swipe the card. So when you swipe the card, it'll show up a little bit like this. Perfect. So after you swipe that card, you'll see that we have the icon right here displaying that we have card on file and the logo of the card. This is an American Express. So we can click on that. It shows that the last four is all that we can see. The rest is totally encrypted. From here, we can copy the card, maybe to another account if we need to. We could update the expiration date, or we can delete the card on file. If we need to add a new card, we can do the same there. So if we're taking a payment for a customer and we do a pickup, pick up that one bag here. We go to our pay screen. From here, we can put the card on file from here as well. We can click on that Save as Card. So from here, we're making a payment and we're saving the card on file, two tasks done at the exact same time. If we're wanting to use the same card, we can just click on that card here and then click Pay. All right, so in addition to cards on file through this icon here, the No Card on File icon, and then through the payment, customers will also have a secure link that's sent to them. It's a unique customer portal. They are able to add and change their card on file from that portal. So if a customer doesn't want to do it with you, shoot them a link, and from that link, they can add their card on file. So there's a couple ways that we can do it. All of these we try to keep super simple. Again, the more cards that we have on file, the more chance we are to get paid, and make it a simpler and an easier process and a better process for our customers, which in turn is going to improve spending. So thanks again, appreciate it. We'll have another one coming up pretty soon. Thanks.